This video, it's Zik the programmer guy. In today's video, I want to show you how you can find your story archive on TikTok. So guys, just like Facebook, Instagram, it's possible you can see your archive on TikTok. So let's get started with that. So the first step to take is, of course, open your TikTok app, and then once you open your TikTok app, head to your TikTok profile. And once you are here on your TikTok profile, if you have uploaded stories on TikTok before, that's only when you can find your story archive. So if you have uploaded a story before, just click on these private video option right here, and then you're going to find your story archive. As you can notice, the first video right there is my story archive. So I'm just going to click on that, and if I want to view it, I'm just going to click on it, and then I can view it. So guys, this is how you can see your story archive on TikTok. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.